What is up, Coaster Dorks? Today we are here at Kentucky Kingdom, a brand new park for me. I'm really excited. They've got 5 roller coasters here and we're gonna go on all of them, so let's go. Okay, Coaster Dorks, so I just got off of Lightning Run. It was really good. I do think it is a bit overrated. I would probably give it a 6.5 or a 7 out of 10. Good ride. I just got off the Scream Extreme. It was really intense. It was a good time. I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. Okay, Coaster Dorks, I just got off Thunder Run. It was really good. Good ride. It was kind of rough. Airtime was good enough to where I could overlook it. I'd probably give it a 6.5. Okay, Coaster Dorks, I just got off of the Eye of the Storm. It's a pretty good ride, really intense. I'd probably give it a 5. Okay, Coaster Dorks, I just got off the Storm Chaser. It's a really good ride. Crazy airtime. The last 4 hills are insane. It's not better than Iron Gwazi, but it's still amazing. Easily a 10 plus. Okay, Coaster Dorks, I just got off Kentucky Flyer. It was glossy smooth. It blew my expectations away. It was crazy. I'd probably give it a 7. It was really good. Okay, Coaster Dorks, I just got off the 2nd tallest water slide in North America. Let me turn the camera around and show you. This is Deepwater Dive at Kentucky Kingdom. It's about 120 feet tall. It's one of the floor dropping water slides. It's really good, and I'd probably give it a 10 plus. It was really fast, really fun. Okay, Coaster Dorks, so that's gonna do it with our day here at Kentucky Kingdom. I did re-ride Lightning Run, and my new rating's a 10 plus. It is better than Storm Chaser. It's just super intense, super good airtime in the back row. It's awesome. Highly recommend Kentucky Kingdom. Great park here. So I'll see you guys pretty soon here. Coming from Cedar Point and Kings Island. Bye.